Hi all, welcome to Black Tactical. This is a electronic whistle. Not just that, it also has another function. You can double up as a torchlight in case you need to signal or if you need to see something in the dark. And also blinks for signaling when you're using for, what's the thing? Traffic marshalling. And of course, this thing's main function, let's not forget, is signaling. Very loud for marshalling of pedestrian or motorists. And it's also available in two different types of sounds. See? I change again. Available at Black Tactical. If you're interested, you can come to our shop or to our webpage at black-tactical.com. See you there!